Alright, got our gloves. Make sure you're in a well ventilated area. This stuff stinks. The Bondo smells even worse and it lingers. We're going to brush it on in 4 to 6 coats, 2 minutes apart. Keep in mind this stuff is highly flammable and can be ignited with just a spark. So well ventilated area and no fire heaters or anything with an ignition source. And this will be the first coat done. And if you have a window like mine, you can put tape on the sill because it's also like a glue. It'll glue your window. So I opened it, and it's also like a paint stripper, but that's okay because we're gonna take all that off anyways. And just focus on one area at a time because the Bondo dries in like 5 minutes and there's no way you're going to do multiple sections. This might even be too much to get filled before it dries. And that's huge. What this stuff actually does is it kills fungus, prevents it, and it hardens the wood. So after this dries in like an hour, it's going to be like a plastic. So just keep coating it. You wait the 2 minutes because this stuff really soaks into the wood. That's why I like this one. It's like the most expensive one, but it soaks really deep into the wood fibers, and that's what we want. We don't want to just go on top of it. We want to go as deep as we can. And then after we get our 4 to 6 coats, we will go to another one because we have to let it dry for 2 hours before we can put the Bondo. After this dries in 2 hours, scuff sand the surface before Bondo.